What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth Cuisine. So Easter is 1 week away now, and I'm sure a lot of you are celebrating. And no good Easter celebration would be complete without a good dessert. And that's why today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan Oreo carrot cake. And for this recipe, you will need at least 48 of these carrot cake Oreos. And by the way, they actually sell these year round, not just around Easter, so you could make this recipe any time of the year. 5 medium carrots, peeled and grated. 4 flax eggs, and that is 1 tablespoon of flax seeds and 2 tablespoons of water. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 cup of white sugar. 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts and 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. 1 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the frosting, you will need 3 cups of powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of vegan butter, 3 tablespoons of plant-based milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. All right, without any more delay, let's get baking. The icing got a little messy, as you can see. I think I should have put it on sooner after I made it, but overall, I think it looks pretty nice. And we have a vegan Oreo carrot cake. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Easter if you celebrate. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to drop me a like, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace. I never knew that grating carrots would be such a pain.